Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can solve the problem of YouTube buffering problem in your Android. First of all, you have to do that is you have to just go to settings, just tap on settings and just wait for a second and just go to the settings of your Android. Just tap on settings and just make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that the VPN is not connected. After that, just go back. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, just scroll down and just go to the storage. If you find on the front of your settings, just go that. If you don't find, just go to the search bar of your settings, just like that, and just you have to type YouTube on the settings, just like that, and just tap on YouTube and wait for a second and just scroll down and just go to the storage. And what you do that is you have to just clear the data and also clear the cache of your YouTube. So that is the setting you have to do that to solve that problem. So that's it, the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.